In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily resize images in Microsoft Word to exact dimensions, like 2 inches by 2 inches. This is especially useful when you need your images to fit perfectly in a layout, for presentations or for printing purposes. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the image you want to resize is already inserted. Having everything ready will make the process much faster and smoother. Next, click on the image in your document. Clicking the image activates Word's picture editing tools, giving you access to the formatting options you'll need. Once the image is selected, go to the top of the Word window and click on the Picture Format tab. This tab contains all the tools for adjusting your image, including size, position, and other formatting features. Now, locate the Size group within the Picture Format tab. Here, you'll find the fields for height and width. To resize your image to 2 inches by 2 inches, simply enter 2 in both the height and width boxes. This ensures your image is scaled precisely to the dimensions you want, maintaining consistency across your document. Once you've entered the new dimensions, your image will be resized immediately. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your image now fits perfectly within your document. This simple method helps keep your images aligned, neat, and professional looking. Remember, if you plan to print your document, double-check your print settings to make sure the scaling options won't alter the dimensions you just set. That's all for today's guide on resizing images in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tips and tricks.